I'm Eddie Cannell.
And I'm Tom Cannell.
Welcome, everyone. This is the Mortgage Brothers Podcast Show. It is Friday, July 1st.
And this is the interest rate update.
If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. We do this Monday through Friday. Also, Tom and I, we're Mortgage Brothers. We're right here in Phoenix, Arizona. And this is for informational purposes only. This is not financial advice.
That's right, folks. We're smart, but we're not financial advisors. We didn't get like a PhD in advising.
Okay, so the 30-year fixed conventional loan, what are they today? Right, Friday, 4.99, a little bit lower than yesterday. The 15-year fixed, 4.25, also a little bit lower.
Same with FHA and VA. The 30-year FHA, 4.49, a little down. The 30-year VA, 4.49, a little bit down.
All right, and these quotes are based off of these scenarios for conventional FHA and VA loans. Remember, each quote is unique to a particular scenario. Everyone's situation is different, but these are the scenarios. These have no quotes or points.
That's right. Standard closing costs apply, but there's nothing hidden. There's nothing extra. We get that all the time. All right, well, what is hidden? It's like when you go to the Mortgage Brothers team, there's nothing hidden. We can do points if you want for an extra lower rate, but the rates that we are quoting here do not include those hidden fees.
That's right. No hidden fees for this. You're just going to pay standard closing costs. And high level, which we do this often, is the 30-year fix, showing you since 1971 where the interest rates have been to kind of give us all perspective. Here's where the interest rates are today on this graph. And you'll see that they are going... Let's see here. Yeah, so it's 1981. They reached a peak at 18%, and then they got into this channel about 1986. And there's this downward channel. They were stuck in up and down, up and down, up and down until March 2022. We do believe that rates will eventually go back down to this channel because of just the constant money printing.
We've just been on that slide for so long. You know, what has significantly changed? I mean, there has been a whole lot of change. You know, life, the economy always is changing, but what's changed in the last, 35 years?
Well, yeah, I mean, we're still printing money. We're still spending more than we're bringing in, and the interest payments have to be lower.
Yeah.
The government, one of the ways that they actually lower their interest payments is by lowering rates. So, again, that's the big picture right there. And for many of you who are actually in the process of getting a mortgage right now, whether it's a refinance or a purchase, your lender, their bank's probably giving you or should be giving you a loan estimate. It's a federal disclosure. It's 3 pages long. And Tom and I, we will be happy to review it for you because these can be very confusing.
Yeah, they're supposed to be simple, but they're not.
Correct.
Unfortunately.
Very confusing. Now, we want to show you this is the top of the first page. It's going to show your interest rate, your loan amount, whether it's locked or not. But the important thing too, it'll tell you, your loan term, whether it's a purchase, 30-year fixed, the sales price in this case. But more than anything, that we're really going to focus on is what is the actual cost for that interest rate.
I mean, yeah, with as confusing as life is, with as confusing as buying a home is, there's really two big questions. Literally, there's only two. Go back to the first slide. What is my interest rate? Second question, what are my points? Like, that's it. Every lender is going to have an underwriting fee. Now, it may vary by $100 or $50 or $75 or $69. They're all going to have an underwriting fee. If they don't, they're bearing it into the rate. So you should have an underwriting fee, and you have an interest rate. You just need to ask, what is my interest rate, and are there any points?
Yes. Now, this is just an example. I mean, we printed this a couple days ago when interest rates were at 5.375. Like today, this would be 4.99% for this scenario. But again, this is just an older LE that we're using it as an example. But yeah, this would be like 4.99. You'd have 0 points. That's what it should look like, and that's what we want. And we'll be happy to review any loan estimates that you have. Be sure to email it to us, and we're going to be taking the next week off. There will be no interest
we get a break?
Yeah, no interest rate update next week.
Oh man! Well, what are our listeners going to do then?
You know what? We have a lot of podcasts they can watch on our channel. So
I know. Also, why don't we just play elevator music
or that? All right, guys. Be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. We'll be back.
All right. Thanks, folks.
Thank you, everyone, for watching our show today. If you have questions, be sure to email us at rates@azmortgagebrothers.com, and be sure to take a look at all of our other videos on our channel.